Caulk tube preservation products can save money over time by extending usable sealant and reducing wasted material. When you routinely seal up gaps or joints, preserving partially used tubes turns into meaningful savings because you avoid buying a full new tube for each small job. Start by keeping tubes vertically with the nozzle up to prevent the sealant from pooling in the tip and hardening the plunger end. Use rubber caulk caps to create an airtight seal at the nozzle and compress the residual pressure so the material stays usable for weeks or months. If the nozzle is clogged, replace it with a nozzle replacement kit rather than discarding the entire tube, and cut the new nozzle just slightly more than you need to control flow and avoid over-extrusion. For bulk work, invest in bulk stoppers that fit multiple cartridge sizes, so you can switch between products quickly without waste. Always clean the nozzle and threads after each use with a solvent recommended by the product manufacturer, so you do not introduce contaminants that accelerate curing. A common mistake is leaving a partially used tube uncapped, which causes the nozzle to cure solid, making the whole tube unusable. Avoid this by immediately fitting a tight rubber cap or closing plug. Another issue is cutting the nozzle too short, which forces higher pressure and causes excess squeeze out and mess. Measure or mark the desired bead size and trim incrementally for control. People sometimes forget to depressurize the gun after use, which allows air to continue pushing material toward the tip and leads to sealing inside the nozzle. Release the gun pressure or retract the plunger before storing. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare approaches to reduce material waste on common jobs. We also provide a discussion community where we and other members share tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations to save time and money.